Howdy, welcome back to the channel. In this week's video, we are at a new location doing some landscape photography. I'm gonna put the drone up in a few minutes so you guys can get a little look around. I've never been to this location before, so this is all brand new to me. So I'm gonna take you with me as we go find some compositions. I was gonna jump down and do the very first one I see. I'll show you guys in a second with the main waterfall. However, before we even step down, I see a very small little log or a piece of wood sticking out. And it's just drawing my attention right now. We're waiting for the sunlight to still come out. It's still quite early in the morning. It's about 6:30. The sound from that waterfall is beautiful. Two-second timer, 1/10 of a second, f2.5, ISO 100. All right, so we're gonna have to get down here to go check out the next location. Some of the waterfalls from down here and all around this location are just beautiful. But the piece de resistance, bam. That looks incredible. See the rapids, the water, falling down, creating a massive pool. And it rained yesterday as well, so there's even more water coming out. All right, now, the ground down here is kind of treacherous. It's damn near impossible to walk on. So we're gonna have to look around very carefully for a composition. So we have had to climb all the way down from up there, go all the way around, come all the way down here, so that way we can walk on some muddy ass ground. Ooh, okay. Now this is much nicer, a little bit quieter, a lot more sort of, I don't even know how to describe it. It's just, so this is the waterfall that I was looking at from up there. It looks a lot better down here. So I'm gonna find somewhere to put you guys so that way you can see me. So as I showed you guys in the video already, this is what the main waterfall, the main subject, so to speak. So we are going to try to get a photograph of this. And hopefully we should have another time to come back here later tonight. Come back here later tonight, so that way I can get some The waterfall is the main subject, but as you can see, we have some extra stuff here on the side that we don't really want. So we're going to try to relocate that just a little bit more to the side. So we are getting rid of the distractions over here in the corner, cleaning up the composition. Now we may look at a 1x1 crop. Ah. All right, so the 1x1 crop actually makes it look a little bit better. It cuts off a lot of the wood and the excess rock on the side that kind of distracts from it slightly. We want to make sure that the edges are just perfect, clear enough. All right, make sure it's leveled. Now then. So we want to give it a little bit of motion. So we're going to increase it to F14, 2.5 seconds, ISO 100. Just to give the water a bit of extra motion and to give the picture a bit of pop of life. After we're done, we're going to have to look at that. That looks like a really interesting composition. Two seconds, 2.5 seconds, sorry, F14. All right, same thing again. I pulled back a little bit more and we focused in on this side of the waterfall. So the first picture we did was for the main portion over there. And the second one, we're going to just try to get just the smaller section. Same thing again, we're going to try to get it. Oh, okay. So I'm removing the trees that you see on this side of the picture from it, just fixing up the composition in order to put in this rock down here at the bottom as part of the main foreground. 4 seconds, F14. And then of course, make sure you double check your photograph, making sure it got absolutely rid of everything. Now, I do want to try one thing. So 16:9. Just a little bit wider of a letterbox, just to incorporate a bit more of the background. We're going to focus in on the waterfall coming down. F14, 4 seconds again. Well, today was an absolute amazing day of photography. I caught quite a few images and there's probably a bunch more that I missed. So in another couple of weeks, we're definitely gonna come back and explore even further up here. All right, so we did try going that way a little bit. The ground is a little treacherous, so I'd be more interested going upstream a little bit this time. But this spot is just so, just mesmerizing is the word for it. Sounds incredible. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think of the photographs. Catch you guys in the next one.